Today, October 10th, 2023, is a very auspicious day for those with diabetes and those doctors treating diabetes. The Freestyle Libre, they have launched the digital tools. So now I can check my glucose with my Librelink app in my phone. So let me check, and this is ready to scan. And you can do with your NFC enabled phone.
103 milligrams per deciliter and changing slowly.
And this app has seamless possibilities. I can check for my time in ranges, within range, below range and above range. And I can have the information for the last 14 days, 7 days, 1 month, or even for the last 3 months. And at the click of a button, I can share this information to my friends or my doctors or the caretakers, or via WhatsApp or via email. And there is one more app, and that is the Librelinkup. Librelinkup is the app where I can share the information to 20 more people in real time. And the third digital tool, which is going to probably transform the diabetes care in our country, is the Libreview. There is a dedicated platform for patients and another dedicated platform for doctors and hospitals, where we, the doctors, can view the data of all our patients. And with the click of a button, I can generate the entire HEP report. And this can be utilized for coaching. This can be utilized for retrieving the historical data. And the entire data is stored in the cloud. And I can retrieve the information for the last many years. Are you concerned about the cost? I have an answer. And this is the solution. The cost of diabetes care is when you are treating the complications such as the chronic kidney disease, coronary disease, the foot ulcers, and so on. With Libre and with the digital tools, I promise you, these are the technologies which can bring down the cost of diabetes care. When you are successful using these technologies, with the help of Libre, you will be successful in reaching and sustaining the targets of therapy, more than 85 or 90% within range. And with digital technologies such as the Libre, Librelink and the Libreview, we are ensuring that we are providing the quality of life which we are dreaming. And this was not existing for our patients with diabetes. And with these digital tools, we are now able to provide not only prolonged lifespan, but with enhanced quality of life.